Diagnosis versus prognosis. Diagnosis is defined as the identification of a medical or psychological condition based on symptoms and assessments, while prognosis is defined as the prediction of the likely outcome or course of a condition over time. An example of a diagnosis is diagnosing a patient with major depressive disorder after evaluating their persistent low mood and loss of interest, while an example of a prognosis is when a therapist predicts that a person with mild anxiety will recover fully with regular CBT sessions. Psychologically, diagnosis is central to clinical psychology for understanding and categorizing mental health conditions, e.g., DSM-5, while prognosis helps in planning treatment strategies and setting realistic goals for recovery. Why diagnosis matters. Diagnosis is the first step in identifying mental health conditions based on symptoms and professional assessments. It allows clinicians to understand, categorize, and communicate complex psychological disorders using standard frameworks such as the DSM-5 or ICD-11. Without accurate diagnosis, individuals may be left untreated or mislabeled, which can delay recovery and increase stigma. Prognosis and the path forward. Prognosis refers to predicting the likely course or outcome of a condition, helping professionals set treatment goals and manage expectations. For instance, a therapist may anticipate full recovery for someone with mild anxiety through consistent therapy, while a more severe condition may require long-term management. Prognosis is vital in guiding patients and families towards realistic and supportive recovery strategies. Global laws and mental health systems. Worldwide, legal frameworks play an important role in shaping access to diagnosis and treatment. Some countries have advanced mental health legislation that guarantees the right to timely assessment and care, while others still lack resources or policy support. Disparities in legal protections mean many people face barriers to proper diagnosis, leading to untreated conditions or mismanagement of symptoms. Stronger legal systems ensure that diagnosis leads to care, not neglect. The psychology of hope and awareness. Diagnosis and prognosis are not just clinical terms but psychological turning points. Receiving a diagnosis can bring clarity and validation, while prognosis can provide hope and direction. At the same time, stigma around mental health in many societies prevents open discussion and access to care. By fostering awareness, ensuring supportive laws, and promoting evidence-based psychological practice, communities can make both diagnosis and prognosis pathways to healing rather than labels of limitation.